What are you doing? Do not slobber. What are you doing? So next week, I have to have surgery. Boo. Not a fun one either. 6 to 8 week recovery period. But, so I guess this little guy is gonna help me through the recovery because I'll be stuck at home. How could you not love this little guy? Yes. How could you not love him? Him a sweet boy. Him a sweet boy. Yes, he is. So, y'all can say a few prayers for me. It'll be Thursday the 8th. Oh, I'm not looking forward to that. I don't do well with the whole surgery thing. Yep. Bye, guys. You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi? Hey, you gonna say hi? You're so rotten. You're so rotten.